we are not going to allow farmers to be exploited again, because the regulations are coming up whereby the selling of extended bags of potatoes will come to an end. And the standard measure will be a bag of 50 kg. And once the Parliament passes the regulations, I will also gazette the same, that no farmer, no trader will be allowed to sell any bag of potato that exceeds 50 kilograms. Likewise, if you go to the market, you should also be able to standardize the measure on how you'll be able to buy the potato also from the those trading in the market. We should be able to ensure that farmers are using the right pesticide and other inputs so that they do not endanger the rice of Kenyans. As we speak today, we have a deficit of 1.7 million metric tons of potato in the country, when we are supposed to be potato sufficient. The instructions that we have from the President about the Big Four agenda is on the issue of food and nutrition security.